Hello students, today in this video of trigonometry, I am going to explain you a particular type of question in which I have seen many students getting confused. So please listen to this video till the end very attentively so that this question may get clear to you all. I am explaining you in the very simpler form. Please listen attentively. So what the question is, if angle B and angle Q are acute angles such that sin B is equal to sin Q, then prove that angle B is equal to angle Q. So here there are two triangles. One triangle is triangle ABC and the another is PQR, and they are saying that angle B and angle Q means this angle and this angle, they are acute angles, and sin B is equal to sin Q. So we have to prove that this particular angle is equal to this particular angle. So according to this triangle, what is sin B? What is the formula for sin? It is perpendicular upon hypotenuse. So when we are considering this angle, so for this angle, this side will be perpendicular and obviously AB will be the hypotenuse. So AC upon AB is sin B. Similarly, in another triangle, sin Q will become PR upon PQ. Now in the question they have given sin B is equal to sin Q. So I have written here, if sin B is equal to sin Q, then AC upon AB will become equal to PR upon PQ, which I have written here. Now if I reverse these two particular items, so PR will come here and AB will go upside. So it will become AC upon PR is equal to AB upon PQ. This way we can write, and for this let us think that this is equal to a particular any constant k. Now by Pythagoras theorem, first apply Pythagoras theorem in this triangle. So what it is, AB square is equal to AC square plus BC square. I have written here, and in this triangle it will become PQ square is equal to PR square plus QR square. I have written here. Now let us take AC square to this side and it will become BC square is equal to AB square minus AC square. Why we are taking only AC square this side? Because we have to find out the value of BC. Why BC? Because let's see over here, AC we have got, AB we have got, which is the another side that is left, it is BC. That's why we want the value of BC. So we have taken BC square to one side to just get the value of BC. So BC square will become AB square minus AC square, and BC will become equal to under root of AB square minus AC square. Similarly, in another triangle, why we want the value of QR, why we are taking it to only to one side of is equal to, because in this triangle we have got PR, we have got PQ, which side is left? QR is left. So to get the value of QR, we are finding out the value of QR square is equal to PQ square minus PR square, and QR will become equal to under root of PQ square minus PR square. Now if we take these two particular values in ratio, so BC upon QR will become, why we are taking the ratio? Because to prove the angles equal, we have to prove that the two triangles are similar. So similarity के लिए हमें क्या करना होता है? The ratio of the corresponding sides should be equal. तो ratio of corresponding sides में हमारी दो sides तो हो गई हैं, like AC upon PR is equal to AB upon PQ. The third side is left, ratio of the third sides is left. That's why we are calculating the ratio of the third sides to prove that the triangles are similar. So ratio of the third side BC upon QR is equal to root of AB square minus AC square upon root of PQ square minus PR square. Now from this particular step, we have got, here are four variables, AB, AC, PQ and PR. So AB square can be written as, if we take this particular ratio, so according to here, AB is equal to, PQ will go this side, so AB is equal to KPQ. I am writing over here, AB is equal to KPQ. Similarly, if I put AC upon PR is equal to K, so it will become AC is equal to, PR will go this side and AC is equal to KPR. AC is equal to KPR. Now we will use these two particular things. तो AB की जगह हम क्या रख देंगे यहाँ पर? AB की जगह रख दिया हमने KPQ, तो AB square will become K square PQ square. I have written here K square PQ square. Similarly minus AC square, तो AC square के लिए क्या आ जाएगा? K square PR square. So I have written K square PR square and denominator is as it is. Now in this, these two particular terms they have K square in common, so K square has come out and bracket में आ जाएगा P square minus PR square. यहाँ से K square बाहर निकलेगा तो PQ square, यहाँ से K square बाहर निकल जाएगा तो PR square and denominator is again as it is. Now under root of K square will become K and this particular term will remain under square root sign and denominator हमारा as it is ही है and now numerator will cancel with denominator, so this has become is equal to K. Now from 1 and from the second equation, these are the two equations which we have got. So from 1 and 2, 1 में हमारे पास था AC upon PR is equal to AB upon PQ is equal to K, means these two ratios were equal to K. यहाँ पर हमने प्रूव कर दिया that this particular ratio is equal to K, तो तीनों ratios हमारी equal हो गई हैं, तो उससे हो गया AC upon PR is equal to AB upon PQ is equal to BC upon QR. Now for what is the condition for to prove the similar triangles? That the ratio of all the sides should be equal, जो कि हमने यहाँ पे प्रूव कर दिया कि रेशियो ऑफ ऑल द साइड्स इज इक्वल. दिस प्रूव्स दैट द टू ट्राइंगल्स आर सिमिलर एंड व्हेन द टू ट्राइंगल्स आर सिमिलर देन द कॉरेस्पॉन्डिंग एंगल्स आर इक्वल. सो एंगल B is equal to angle Q. This way we have proved that angle B is equal to angle Q. I hope that this question is understood to you all very nicely. Please go through it and again check that if there is any problem, I am here to help you out. See to it and get it done. Thank you.